What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there. You guys are all awesome. You rock. I've been getting tons of love on the channel lately. I do this all for you guys, and I just want to say thank you to every single one of you guys out there. So in this video, I'm not going to be detailing, but I do want to share something with you guys that I received from Lithium Auto Elixirs. It is a little care package they sent me. And I was pretty blown away at what was inside, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I'm really excited to put out some upcoming videos on these products. If you guys didn't know, so Lithium reached out to me and they wanted to send me something. They reached out to me and they sent me the Seal and Squeal paint sealant. Huge shout out to Lithium, by the way. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys sending me this and also sending me this as well. So I did a review on this Lithium Seal and Squeal. I absolutely love this stuff. And then we got in contact again. They wanted to send me out some more stuff. I said absolutely, I would love to try more of your guys' stuff. And then with this whole COVID thing, a long time went by, a month or two, a little more than that went by. I reached back out to them and they said they were having a little bit of technical difficulties with this whole COVID thing, getting packages out and stuff, but they assured me they didn't forget about me. I said, not a problem. You know, I'll take your time whenever you guys feel the need to do that. Do it on your terms, whatever fits best for you guys. So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of forgot about it. And just the beginning of last week, I got to work and this was sitting on my toolbox. So I thought it was pretty cool, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. That way you guys get some excitement out of it, just like I did. And I enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys. And it gives you guys a little bit of what's to come on the channel as far as product-wise. So I want to go ahead and open this up with you guys and share with you guys. For one, I really like the box. It's your time to shine. Ultra Premium Elixirs. Who doesn't like bubble wrap? First thing that we got in the box is going to be Lithium Leather Love. I've heard good stuff about this stuff. Next up in the box is going to be Hyper Cleanse. This is their all-purpose cleaner. I'm really excited to use this stuff. I've never used it. So we've got the Hyper Cleanse. Next up is the Hide Rehab. This is their ultra premium hydration for leather, I believe. And I've heard fantastic stuff about this Hide Rehab. And it was funny because the first thing I wanted to order from Lithium when I first came across their products was the Trim Serum and Hide Rehab. So I'm really glad that I got that Hide Rehab. Let's see. Next up, Trim Serum. Super excited. I've heard nothing but good stuff about this stuff from a lot of detailers that I follow here on YouTube. They really love it. So I'm really excited to try that stuff out. Next up, Ceramic Slam. This is their new, basically SiO2 spray sealant. I've heard awesome stuff about this as well. I really look forward to testing out this Ceramic Slam. So we got that Ceramic Slam. Next up, Color Crush. So this is going to be basically a SiO2 detailer to maintain Ceramic Slam, I'm assuming. Instant detailer, 16 ounces of BAM. And I really like, it's like they have a fantastic sense of humor over at Lithium. And me, myself, having a sense of humor, I find all this little stuff they put on these bottles hilarious. And I love it. Color Crush. Last but not least, the Gloss Sauce. The sauce, baby. 16 ounces of insane results. I believe this is their Carnauba wax. So if I was to top this Seal and Squeal with this would be like a good 1-2 combo right here. So we've got all that stuff. We've got some spray nozzles in here. Now, one thing that I wanted to share with you guys that I didn't even know they had was detail brushes. I thought it was really cool. Sorry, I want to get this kind of set up so you guys could see that. It came in this nice box. I said, what is that? Premium boar's hair and synthetic bristle brush set. I didn't even know they made brushes, but check that out, guys. Fantastic. You should be bristling with excitement about the transformation which is about to take place. Hilarious. Absolutely phenomenal brushes. Super comfortable. It's almost, they're like rubberized, kind of like, best way I could put it is kind of like the rubber that's on your dual action polishers that they put for comfort and grip. Kind of like a nice ballpoint pen with that nice grippy rubber. Fantastic. And it comes with, let's see here, it's got, let's pull this off of there. Let's check out the, it's child proof, I guess. It's Smurf proof. It's really nice soft brushes. It's got some back to it, some backbone to it, so it's not gonna be too soft to where you can't scrub with it. Really, really nice. And then it's also comes with, oh boy, super soft bristle. This is gonna be for your, maybe your paint, your delicate interior leather, stuff like that. This is absolutely ultra soft. I mean, just ultra soft. Really, really cool brushes. They fit really nice in your hand. I can't wait to use these. And it comes with 2 of the big ones, and then it comes with 2 of the small ones here, as you guys can see here. Let me pull these off. So it comes with another one of the boar's hair, and this one is the ultra fine. Just ultra fine, super soft. Just fit, it contours your fingers so nicely, and the rubber grip, really, it doesn't kind of fatigue your hand as much. Some of the, like these ones back here, yeah, especially the wooden ones, you kind of get like a little sore there from using them. They slip out of your hand sometimes. These feel really nice. They contour the fingers really well. Fantastic. They look really nice. I can't wait to use those. But like I said, I really just wanted to share this with you guys because I was excited, and I look forward to using these products for sure in the future. I've got a couple details coming up. I know I haven't been detailing much lately, but I have been extremely busy, guys. But I got a couple details coming up, a few products I want to try, and a few of these are definitely going to make the list. So I wanted to share this with you guys. I will keep this video short. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, smashing that thumbs up for me, and click that little notification bell next to it. That way when I upload more videos, whether it be detailing, paint correction, you know, anything car related pretty much, reviews, you guys will get notified when I upload those videos if you click that notification bell. So with that being said, I want to thank all you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys all out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at. Before I go, one quick shout out again to Lithium. Thank you so much. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.